Hello students, Sem 1, English. In our last video we saw a story, Black Boy, that was written by Richard Wright. And what was the effect of his neighboring woman? We'll see that. Now we go ahead about the story. With the analysis of his each woman character, we can see how they can achieve the effect of Richard's life negativity. As we show the old woman character, whether there is mother, aunt, grandmother or a married woman, the negative effect of woman character are imaged on his mind. We must start with his mother, Eli. How was his mother's character? His mother's name is Eli. It can be said that she may be the single biggest factor that shaped his life. The mother's role is the biggest role in any child's brought up in any child's future. In the same way, his mother's role is also an important role in his life. It can be said that she may be the single biggest factor to save his life. She is left by her husband for another woman. At that time, her husband, that means Richard's father, left her wife because of the another woman. She is left with herself alone. And then Eli suffers from the strokes that leave her paralyzed. At that time, her mother was suffering from a paralysis. Some part of the body are not work, it is called paralyzed. She is dependent on her family for survival. Eli is a strict mother and tries her hardest to discipline Richard. She tries her best to raise Richard after his father leaves the family. She did hard work. She tries her best to give the discipline as well as a good future to his children, to her children. Richard, after his father leaves the family, but she could not. Her illness prevents her from caring for herself and her children. In some ways, she is not able to give Richard the emotional support he wants. She was so busy to earn, she was so busy to run his family that she could not give warm, love, care to her children. And at that time, the children needed it. In a 5th semester, you also learn the second part of Richard's story, in which his part is from I am hungry, in which Richard said that I was hungry in my childhood with both mentally as well as physically. His father drank a lot. His father drank beer. And as you know that after drinking beer, the person feels very hungry. And at that time, because of his father's hunger, a child did not get food. Whenever he demanded for the food, his mother would give him a cup of tea only. In some ways, he is not able to give Richard the emotional support he wants. As former school teacher, she encouraged Richard in his efforts to learn to read, but she is to be turned down by her husband's argument, her love of money, the responsibility of looking for the boys after the boys. It is not also easy to get a clear impression of Richard's mother. Richard's mother is a solid presence throughout his life. The author expressed his situation as follows. warning me, but I must make no noise, and I was angry, fretful, and impatient. At that time, we can see that, we can imagine that how was the mental mind was the children. She often disciplined him harshly. When we make mistake, it ends with punishing him. If any of his child made any kind of mistake, she was punished them. Whenever she started to teach them, if the children did not give the answer of her question, she beat them because she was frustrated by his husband. She often punished him by lashing him with a switch. Ella beats him until he nearly dies. She beat him until his last breath. The story also begins with one of them being dead. For instance, when Richard was 4 years old, he accidentally lit his house on fire. By mistake, by accidentally. He lit a fire in his house when he was 4 years old, 5 years old. Ella punished him severely with a switch, even though he became unconscious. Till Richard became conscious, she switched on. And slowly, he withdrew from her emotionally. Richard's continuous relationship with his mother may be traced back to his early childhood, when Ella's administers a bidding that nearly kills him. This conflict continues throughout Richard's early years, and he also commits less punishable offense in a setting where his mother is often only the authority figure around the delivered punishment. After getting much punishment, in a small thing punishment, he has become conscious. He has become very wise that he did not make the mischievous in his childhood. Actually, as you know, that it is a psychological disorder that if a child did not doing the mischief, did not being the non-nutritious, it is harmful for them. But her mother gave him punishment often, and that's why his mischievous become less. He is not doing the mischievous. Ella is one of the older old moves when Richard is young. Once Kate stole his money, Ella wanted her son to fight and got the money back. It was an incident that when they moved into the another area. At that time, when his father left dad and his mother did a job. Because of doing jobs, he was very tired at the end of the day. One day, when she was very tired, at that time, she was making a list of groceries and gave Richard to go to the shop and take the groceries. When Richard went there, some nutritious students, some nutritious children of the neighboring area, taking the money from him. Richard come home with empty-handed. He has no grocery, he has no money because the children, because the boys taken him. At that time, the mother beat him and told him that take another money and go again to the grocery shop and take the grocery. At that time, she also giving him stick. Don't come with the bitter. Beat them and return from the home. So as we can show that at the end of that, she also taught him courage. She gave him punishment, we accept that. But as well as she taught him the courage. She slammed the door and heard the key turn in the lock. I shook with fright He was alone upon the dark, hostage strict, engaged right after me. I had the choice of being beaten at the home away from home. He has no choice. He beat him, take the grocery, and come back to home. It is, we can also say like that, it is the victory of mother's love. It is the victory of mother. What will happen with him? Let's see that. A major concern in a great boy is Richard's view of religion. Her mother's endless operation about his lack of faith always became an obstacle in turning to a true intelligent. His mother pressurized him. His mother lack of faith always becomes an obstacle in turning point of his life. He thought that was one world and we were in it. Often he said that there was a world and it was a turning point for him. Sure, any notion of some other world was obvious to his impatient, often serves as an outer shine of an unhealthy or evil soul. It was an evil soul of a mother. Sensibility of Ganesha, the world, was offensive to his impartment, often serves as an outward sign of an unhealthy and evil soul. The kind of civilization implies the universe in a sensible place or an evil soul is rewarded with the mangled body, double body. In Bengal, however, the opposite is true. The opposite party is true at that time. Richard's mother, Ella, is one of the few people in the novel and the only person in the entire family who seems genuinely concerned for Richard's welfare. She beat him, she gave punishment, but only person in the family who is very concerned about Richard, who is giving something new to Richard to teach something to Richard at that time. If anyone in the novel has truly good saint-like soul, it is Ella. The nature of Ella is kind-hearted as well as saint-like. Saint-like means, what is saint? Son. How was the nature of any saint? Saint. The similar word of saint is saint. It's like doing something good for another. As you listen to the story of a saint, and you know that the saint always ready to do something for the another person. This is always ready to do something for the another person. If the person get trouble at that time, it is no matter for him. But after all, in the end of the talk, he will get something new. He will learn something new. It is Ella. However, she is bestaged with incurable elements and paralyzed leg. Other family members in Kai have abundant strength, which they frequently used to beat Richard for travel expenses. She was paralyzed, though she beat to his children. In this context, Ella's infirmity symbolized for Richard the unfair, random nature of the universe, as the way Richard could get the honesty by her heritage. Unfair and random. qualities are not entered into Richard's life because of her mother only. In his early childhood one day, when a kitten meadow, there was a kitten, cat's puppy is called kitten. Kitten meadow. Apparently, his father disturbed with the mewing and wanted Richard to do anything, probably not to kill, but get it away from him. Richard knew that he had not really meant for him to kill the kitten. At that time, it is not his intention to kill the kitten. But his deep had for his father urged him towards a literate acceptance of his father's word. After he killed the kitten, his mother made him repent after a prayer in which Richard asked God to spare his life even though he did not spare the kittens. His father killed the kitten. But after the praying, his mother still guilty. His mother prayed for the kitten's good life in next world. Search your eyes and repent after me, she said. At that time, he also felt repent. He also felt the guiltiness to his father and said that, felt repent and said the words after me. I closed my eyes, tied my hand clinged into hers. I also clinged her hands at that time. Dear God, our Father, forgive me. I knew not what I was doing. At that time, he was forgive about the God, forgive to his God Father, and said that we are not repeating our mistake. Here we also shows the spiritual aspect of our mother. Richard's book, The Incident, is an example of how religion uses terror to enforce norms in the community finds acceptable. His mother's view of religious translate as a form of violence and treat by other means. So strongly does Richard feel about the untouchables. At that time, when his mother asked for forgiveness, he was seeing all the things with the superstitious way. And he felt that it is just a superstition of a person or a name of God how a person are afraid. His mother's kind religion had devoted almost all the chapter of God to his people. Richard believed that there was a very little that religious institutions. Religious institutions, it means temple, church, mosque, everything, would stop in order to gain converts. Nevertheless, he also understood the function of religious, namely to make up for the reality lacks. But he was imperatively realistic. My growing habit of the preacher finally became more important than God or religion, and I could no longer contain myself. At that time, he was repent about himself. He was find something in his mind that what was happened with him at that time. And he said in his last line that my growing habit, whenever I was grown, my childhood, it was habit thing for me. The preacher finally, actually there is a difference between the preacher and teacher, I tell you. Who taught your syllabus? In school. And religious place. It is called preacher. So he said that head of preacher finally became more important than God. We obviously always know that a preacher is more important for us than the God only. Whatever the preacher told us, we do. If he said, get up early, we get up early. He said, don't like that, we don't like that. It is just superstitious, nothing else. Obvious effect of his mother's illness. Longer contains myself. What will happen with him? Let's see. He also understood religion to be another form of path. Religious, it is not a meaning of preacher. Religious is not the meaning of sermon. Religious, it means something powerful. And in fact, when his mother encouraged him to join a Methodist church, whenever his mother told him that come with me, join with me to come to church, she put her request in a form that it was hard to decide. They don't like that. And the request is hard to follow. She said that if he loved her, he would join church. First of all, he refused to go out with her to the church. Then after, he put a condition that his mother become emotionally with him. And he said that if you love me, then come with me to the church. And it is emotionally blackmail that all the mothers did with every children in one or another topic. And his mother's long illness was sometimes blamed on his faithlessness. Mother's long illness, it means whenever his mother was paralyzed, at that time, it was the hard time for him. And completely he was faithless to the world. Whatever the faith is inside of the recharged rights because of a mother, that faith is went out when his mother became ill. It can be said that because of her illness, her mother Ella stands for the meaningless suffering Richard experienced during his life. At that time, Richard experiences that which kind of suffering his mother felt. The meaning of Ella's character lies in her illness. As symbolized for Richard George, element of life that are once unpredictable. To predict, it means tell about the future. Unpredictable, it means we cannot say about the future. Uncertain. The meaning of Ella's character lies in her illness, a symbolized for Richard's element life that are once unpredictable. It cannot be predicted. Overwhelming and unfair. In chapter 3, Ella's suffering effectively becomes a symbol of everything. Wrong with the world for Richard. Whatever wrong did with the Richard, it was just happened because of his mother's illness. And his mother's illness is completely unpredictable of God's faith. The widow's hand. However, the reality is of course that Ella is constantly sick and suffering. The injustice he sees affecting to his mother's mirror in the injustice. He himself faced poverty, hunger, severely education. It means not complete his education. His mother's fear the injustice himself faced forward. Because of his mother's illness, they felt poverty, hunger, slavery. It means not brought up properly, average education, not getting the full education, and the fact of being black in the Jim Crow South. Black people only. Taken together, these accidents of life constitutes a major obstacle that Richard wants to overcome in order to live the life that he wants. His mother became a symbol of suffering. Richard will encounter throughout the rest of his life. And this part of the book can show the obvious effect of his mother's illness. My mother's suffering grew into a symbolized into my mind, gathering itself of poverty, the ignorance, the helplessness, painful coughing, and the hunger-ridden days and hours. The restless moving into furtive seeking, uncertainty, the fear, the dread, meaningless pain, and the endless suffering. A person only can understand these things who suffered from that. Her life set emotional tone in my life, colored the men and women I was made the future, conditioned by relation to events that had not yet happened, determined my attitude to situations and circumstances I had yet to face. Because of my bad childhood, I had to face yet all the things. How was the childhood of Richard? How was the condition of Richard? We can imagine that. And that's why the Black Boy title is appreciated that.